In this video, you will see some of the shortcuts for your Windows computer. These shortcuts will help you a lot for your regular activities. First, when you press Windows plus A button on your computer, it will open the Action Center. Here, you can control the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and other settings with the keyboard arrows. If you need to control it with your keyboard, then you can do that with the tab button and the arrow buttons on the keyboard. You can turn off and on the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and all the other things. Also, you can control the volume. Like I am controlling here the volume, you can see here. And when you are done, just press the escape button from the keyboard. It will be hidden. Next is settings. If you need to open the settings quickly from the keyboard, then just press the Windows plus I button. It will open the settings panel for the Windows computer. If you need to go back from one settings to the main settings, then you can press the backspace key to go back to the main window. When you press Windows plus E button, it will open the File Explorer. Basically, we open the File Explorer with this File Explorer icon from the taskbar, or using the My Computer icon, or using the This PC icon on the desktop. So Windows E will open the File Explorer. So the next setting is when you want to type using your voice, you can do that by pressing Windows plus H button. For that, you need to open any editing documents or Word or Notepad. Let's open Microsoft Word here and type using Windows H, Windows Voice Dictation. Hello, how are you? You can see here whatever I am saying, it is typing on my document. You can do that. To open the search quickly, just press Windows plus S. It will open the search panel, not the start menu, not the regular start menu you open with the Windows button. This is the default start menu, but you can open the search only with the Windows plus S. You can search anything here, like Chrome. If you want to open this quick link, this is the quick link on your start menu. If you right click on this, you will get this quick menu. If you want to open this with your keyboard, then just press the Windows plus X button. It will open the quick menu. You can control this with the keyboard arrows here, like open settings, task manager, whatever you want, like this. Windows plus comma will quick view the desktop. You can see here when you press Windows plus comma, it will let you view the desktop for a moment and it will come back to the applications you are working on. So this is the quick view settings, Windows plus comma. You can capture a screenshot and save it quickly with the Windows plus print screen button. Windows plus print screen. When you press Windows plus print screen, like I am pressing here Windows plus print screen, it has created a screenshot and saved it to the picture folder. If you open this screenshot, you can see the screenshots here. This is the current screenshot I have just taken. Let me take another screenshot here. You can see Windows plus print screen. It is just taken a screenshot. So you can take screenshot quickly from any window, any application with this shortcut. And another useful thing you can do on your Windows computer is Windows Clipboard. So what it does, so if you open your start menu and search for Clipboard, you can see it has an option Clipboard History. You need to turn it on. So after turning it on, you can, let me open any website, like anything. You can see I am copying this with Control C, copying this with Control C, copying this with Control C, and also copying this Control C. So If I need to paste, like if I have copied this and some other things, so maybe I am working on a text file. So if I press Windows plus V, I can select the text I have copied earlier. You can see I have copied this, I can paste it here. Maybe somewhere I need this, I can paste it here. So it is the clipboard history. You can copy multiple items and paste it whenever you need them. This is very useful. You need to press Windows plus V. It will open the clipboard history. Instead of Control V, press Windows plus V. And when you need to type emoji anywhere, like any application, any document, Word document, anything, you just press Windows plus dot button. It will open the emoji keyboard. You can use the emojis here. Now I'm on Notepad, so it doesn't support like rich emojis here. If I type here on this panel, like Windows dot, you can see it is typing the emojis. And the next thing you can do, you can control the open application with the Windows plus arrow button. So if I press Windows plus up arrow, you can see the opened application, the Microsoft is gone to the upside of the window. Now I can fit another window to the bottom of the screen. So you can see I have controlled it with the keyboard. You can put the windows side by side also. Let me first make them full screen, and I want it to the left side and the other window on the right side. So just press Windows plus left arrow, so it has gone to the left side and I can select the other screen here. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.